Watcher, welcome back to the channel. This is the Essential Handyman. I'm Ian. Not done a tour with you for a while, so I thought I'd show you something I bought recently. A little bit of a decadent tool because there are cheaper ways of doing this, but it's just any of you know I hate clamshell packaging. I do quite a lot of I'm quite environmentally minded, so I'm always breaking down cardboard to put in recycling and stuff. And then I saw this. I've had to wait a while because this was available in America. Hasn't been available in the UK. It is the RCT4 120G cordless cutting tool. This is not part of the battery system, the 18 volt 1 plus system. This is standalone. It's got its own built-in battery and charger. But when I show you how useful this is for clamshell packaging and cutting up cardboard, etc., I think you're all going to be rushing out wanting to buy one. I'll have an Amazon link in my description, so if you do want one, I'll direct you to where you can get one. But what a great bit of kit. So easy. It really is a make your life easier bit of kit. Let me show you now. Okay, a little bit of a tip. Whenever you get these boxes that have got cardboard and they're all stuck down, best thing I find is a scraping knife for your decorating box. Easiest thing in the world to get those open. Okay, there we have it. First view. Empty box. There's the battery. Yep, so not part of the 1 plus system. Rechargeable via a USB. We've got a USB cable here, and I guess the battery goes in the base there. Yep. Can only go in one way because you've got a flat bit there and a round bit here, so it's going to go in like so. Okay, I imagine there's going to be a little bit of charge in it, hopefully. Okay, let me put this on charge. I'll come back and show you how we use it. Okay, while that's charging, let's have a quick look at the instruction booklet. There's not going to be a lot to say in this. Intended use, so this is what it's designed for. The cutting tool is intended to be used only by adults, blah blah blah. Paper, cardboard, carpet, rubber, leathers, thin plastics, vinyl and similar materials. Can be used for cutting straight or curved cuts. Don't use to cut wood or metal. Carpet would be another great use for this. If you're a floor, I know you use like hook knives for a Stanley blade, but this would be brilliant for flooring. Okay, you can see that we are charging it. It's got a flashing green light, but this is interesting. LED indicator, battery status, charge solid green, low battery solid red, low battery flashing red 3 flashes, overload protection flashing red 8 flashes, high temperature flashes red 9 flashes. Doesn't actually say how long you need to charge your battery for, which is annoying. Okay, it doesn't show in the booklet how long you're going to charge it for. But this is impressive. You look at the back of the box, 24 minutes, 2 amp-hour batteries, only 24 minutes and you're using it. So if you do need to cut something and you it's out of battery, just whack it on, make yourself a cup of tea, coffee, come back after you've had your brew, it's ready to use. 24 minutes, I'm impressed with that. Okay, there's not much to say really. The cutting depth here, the maximum depth is 6.4 millimeters. So, but I like that. Pretty ergonomic, even for big hands like mine. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, I've had this thing charging for about 45 minutes now. Let's put this in here. See what it's like. Oh, hold on. Okay, that's good. So it appears that this is a safety clip. Pressing the trigger on its own won't start it. You've got to depress the safety clip and then the trigger, and then it'll work. So I like that. Stops the little kiddie winks from using it. Right, let's check this out with a bit of cardboard. Ooh, I do like this. See, I don't know if any of you recycle cardboard or not, but I find that it's a pain in the backside, and if you use standard blades or something like that, and like a utility knife, it just blunts your knife so quickly. How good is this? Oh, that's brilliant. Literally like a hot knife through butter. Now for the other reason why I bought it, blister packs, clamshell packaging. I cannot stand this stuff. You know, it's like if you get this stuff, you've either got to try and get a knife in under here and go all around, and then you risk ruining your knives. You've got to sharpen your kitchen knives. Or you get yourself a pair of scissors and then you've got to cut around here, and then it's awkward, it's hard to cut through. When your hand gets to here, there's about a 50% chance, 1 in 2 chance that you're going to cut your hand on the packaging or not. But this, I've seen the advert for this, it eats through clamshell packaging. Yes, please. How good is that? And then we're into the packaging. Oh. This is a big thumbs up from me. This is not going to live in my workshop. I'm going to leave this in the house. It's tiny, you know. Fits in the hand nicely. I really enjoy this. I think this is a great little tool. I would thoroughly recommend it to anyone. I bought it for cardboard and clamshell packaging, but there must be hundreds of uses out there for it. Carpet, all sorts of stuff. It's about 70 quid, £70, so it's not cheap. But this was just, you know, now and again, us gadget lovers, you see something, I've just got to have it. It just looks so good. So yeah, short, sweet video for this week. Another Ryobi product review. This one gets a big thumbs up from me. If you've not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Analytics show that only about 1% of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. It won't cost you a penny, but it will do me a big favour. Please give me a big thumbs up, press the subscribe bell, and get notified for any videos I produce. As you can tell by my nasally tones, I've been a bit under the weather recently. Hope to get a few more regular videos out for you soon. See you soon. See ya.